So hi everyone, I am Kayyum, and in this video we will going to learn about cron tabs. So cron tabs are basically used for automation of particular commands. For example, if you want to run a command at every minute, we can do it using the cron tabs. By setting the command inside the cron tab with the particular conditions. Like for conditions, we have five stages. Okay, five options. So likewise, the first option is star. So this is the syntax of the cron tab in Unix and Linux. So using the first we can set the minutes, using the second we can set the hours, using third we can set the day of the month, for the fourth we can set the month of the year, and the last one which is day of the week we can set. And after that we can mention our command that can run on the particular instance. Okay, so for example I have typed some somewhat examples. So for examples, the first one, this one. So the star means at every minute, every hour, every month, every day, and every day of the week. So this is why star is for all. So if we mention star, we can confirm that our command will run at every minute, every hour, and every day. Okay. So for example, in the first example, we have taken star divided by 20. Though this field is for minutes, so for every 20 minutes the crontab will create a today.txt file on the Linux machine. So at every 20 minutes, after every 20 minutes, today.txt file will be created. So for this we can divide it by the number of minutes. Same we can do with the hours and day. So the second example is for hours. So at every 11 p.m. IST, the cron tab will create a today.txt file for us on the Linux machine. So for that we have mentioned 22 year. Why? Because the hours is mainly between 0 to 23. Similarly, the third example is for if you want to create a file at every minute on the Linux machine, we can mention divide by 0 here. So star divided by 0 means at every minute the cron tab will create a today.txt file. Similarly, here we can mention as at similarly we can mention here time like 17 and 18. So here 17 means at every 5 p.m. IST, and 18 means at every 6 p.m. IST. So on these two it will create the today.txt, and if you want to run it all the hours, so we can mention star simply. So let me show you on the Linux machine so how we can create the cron tab. So for example on the screen you can see that we are already having one command that at every reboot we can start. So at every reboot the database the database start automatically. Okay, so similarly in the second script, so here we have mentioned star divided by 1, and then proceed by stars, 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 and stars. So these are for all the hours, all of the months, all of the day, all of the day of the months, and all of the day of the weeks. Okay, so in this way we can use it. So basically what this command will do, this command will create crontab file.txt at every minute. So for every minute I have mentioned star divided by 1 at the first stage. Okay, so this will create crontab file.txt at every minute. So let me show you. So now you can see we are having crontab file already, so we can delete it. So now you can see that we don't have crontab file right now. Okay, let's see let's see that the crontab will do the work. So you can see that we have created crontab file. So this, so we can see here that the crontab file already create. So let's see again that is it created automatically after every 1 minute or not. So here you can see that the crontab has created crontab file.txt automatically. So after every 1 minute, the crontab file.txt will be created using the crontab. So if you want to change it, so we can also mention here that every minute. Okay, let's see that after every minute the crontab file would create. Let's remove the crontab file first. So now we don't have any crontab file. You can see here that the crontab file has been created. Let's remove it again. Okay, we have removed it. Now see, is that really working or not? Again, clear, clear, clear. So in this way we can use the crontab files. So we can automate our task using the crontabs. So thanks for watching, guys.